a quick tour of the GeoLayers 3 interface. If something seems confusing, don't worry. I will go in depth on all these topics later in this course. Also, note that your interface might look a bit different from mine. If you haven't set up your map comp yet, you might be missing some buttons. If you are using the MapTiler Premium plan, you will see extra tools. I have a separate video that covers all tools you get with MapTiler. Now, let's start at the top with the panel menu. If you click on this, you have a few very important options right here. You can check for updates. This will show you which version of GeoLayers you are using and if it is the latest version. You can also contact support directly. If you want to send an email, provide feedback, report a bug, or request a feature, click on Contact Support. You can add your subject, your email, specify a priority level, and let them know what is happening. Or you can even go straight to the website. Underneath Support, you have Projects. When you first launch GeoLayers, this might be the first thing you see. You can turn off this view by deselecting Show on Startup. This allows you to create a new project, import, see all recent projects, or open template. There is a lot of cool stuff here. I will close this. Here you have Preferences. You can control many features here, including the defaults of how your map comp is set up, or how animations are placed, like their easing values. You can specify how data is searched, turn off visibility of imagery presets. There are options for labels and features. A very cool option here is that you can export and import these preference settings. So if you're working on a team, this is very helpful. At the bottom of the panel menu, you have Help. This will bring you to the documentation of GeoLayers 3. What I love is you can do keyword searches. There have been many times I was struggling with something. I just did a keyword search and found it immediately. The creator has also embedded some tutorials that he put together directly here in this help dialog box.